Happy good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to bake and decorate some gingerbread cookies. Hey Sunny, what's the matter?
Good morning. I slept in late and now I'm behind on making Christmas cookies for Santa.
You have been sleeping in a lot lately. Well, don't worry, you still have a couple of days left.
Yeah. Hey, wait. What if we make real and fake gingerbread cookies and see if Santa notices the difference?
You want me to help you trick Santa Claus?
No, not trick. Just, surprise him.
I don't know about this.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun.
Okay, but if you end up on the naughty list, don't blame me.
All right, let's get started. Those look yummy. A special plate for some special cookies.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with bits and tick.
Look, Sunny, Santa left you something on your stocking. What is it?
It's a note.
Read it.
From the desk of Santa. Oh, Sunny, what a surprise I received when I tried your cookies. Your gingerbread men and Gingersnaps were a delightful gift. I'm bringing them home to Mrs. Claus. She loves crafting too. I know she will want to display these decorative cookies in our kitchen all year long. Oh!
Thank you for thinking of the reindeer. They do get hungry on their journey, especially Rudolph, wishing you a splendid Christmas. Ho, 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 Santa Remember to stay on the nice list. Aw, Sonny, that was a very nice note he wrote you.
Aw, I love Santa.
Merry Christmas, Sonny.
Merry Christmas to everyone.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video with your friends. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you again next time for more amazing craft ideas. Happy crafting!